Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about and break down the difference between the words Fleck, Speck, and Mote. They mean, describe, or refer to small, tiny particles, for example, marks, spots, pieces of something, amounts of something. They can act as nouns or verbs, though the verb form of mote means might or may. It is the archaic form of these words. If ranking them from the biggest to the smallest, in my opinion, it will be Fleck, Speck, Mote. So, Fleck. Fleck means a small, tiny, for example, spot. It can be a stain on your t-shirt, or it can be a fleck of grain, sand, etc. Speck. Speck is tinier than Fleck, and you can barely see, for instance, a speck of dust in the air. The key word here, barely, barely. You can barely see it with the naked eye. And the word mote, it means something, a very tiny, tiny particle that practically impossible to see with the naked eye. You mote, you can also say you mote. You might, you may, you mote. Use some kind of equipment to better examine these, or this particles, microscope, lens, etc. And as you might, may, or mote see, this word very often used in literature as the archaic form of verbs may and might, mote. You mote see that many people in the modern world acting very strange. You mote see this. I can see this. And you mote see this. So, that's wrapping it up for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.